She's in the backseat of my mind. She's been riding there for years. She doesn't talk, she doesn't cry. She just sits and watches the light.